Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about Avalanche Bay, which is located on the Boyne Mountain Resort in Boyne Falls, Michigan. Avalanche Bay is Michigan's largest indoor water park with over 88,000 square feet. It's open year-round, so it's the perfect destination for a winter escape or a summer adventure. The first thing you'll want to do is get a locker to keep your personal belongings. These are located within both the men's and women's locker rooms. There are a variety of locker sizes ranging from small, medium, and large. There are easy-to-use self-service kiosks where you can rent the lockers for the entire day. Next is our attractions at Avalanche Bay. The first one is the Big Couloir. This is an extreme body slide featuring a launch capsule that propels you through a 360-degree super loop at speeds of up to 38 feet per second. Even if you don't try it yourself, it's fun to watch people drop. Next is the Rip Zone Surf Simulator. The surf simulator is where you can catch the perfect wave. Staff are super helpful and they guide you through riding on the boogie board. It's a great intro to surfing and fun to watch as others wipe out. Next is the Splash-A-Horn play structure. This is a massive multi-level interactive water play fort that's particularly its own mini water park. It's packed with tunnels, sprayers, water wheels, rope bridges, and tipping buckets. But the real stars here are the two slides attached to the top of the fort. The red slide, like this one, is an enclosed tube slide with lots of twists and turns, and it shoots you out into a shallow splash zone at the bottom. The blue slide is slightly shorter and open-topped, which makes it a great starter slide. It's ideal for kids who aren't quite ready for that dark tunnel slide. The downhill mat racers are next. This was a ride where we could go on all together at Avalanche Bay. It's this multi-lane water slide where you grab a foam mat, lie on your stomach, and race headfirst down side by side. Think toboggan run meets water. It's so much fun. Next is the Vertigo cannonball. Here you grab a single or a double tube and experience the thrill of swirling around in this giant bowl. You start by hopping on a one-person inner tube at the top of the slide, and after a short enclosed tunnel that builds up speed, you're launched into a giant bowl-shaped structure. Here's where the real fun begins. You spin around the inside of the bowl multiple times, sometimes backwards, sometimes sideways, until gravity pulls you down the center, where you're suddenly dropped through a chute and into the splash pool below. Next is the Super G slide. This tube slide takes riders outside the building for thrilling twists and turns before bringing them back inside to splash down. The slide begins inside a fully enclosed tunnel and zips you through a series of dark, winding turns that keep you guessing at what's coming next. Then it opens up into a few brighter areas with swooping curves before splashing you into the final pool. Lifeguards at the top and bottom are super helpful. Next is the Lazy River Adventure. Here you can relax as you float along the gentle current of the indoor flowing mountain river. This is complete with water features around every corner. And this was our family's go-to when we needed a little break from the high energy fun of the slides. Floating along the lazy river gave us time to laugh and relax together. And next we'll see the Blizzard Bay Activity Pool. This is where you can engage in water basketball, toss a ball, or climb on the floating log. It's really fun for the family. There's also a crossing where you can test your balance and agility. Overall, our family had an absolute blast at Avalanche Bay Indoor Water Park. Don't forget to like and subscribe.